Hello! I am Julia, and this is my song share project. The song is Good as Hell by Lizzo. As hell is a vernacular expression meaning very much or to a full extent. So to feel good as hell means that one is feeling very, very good to the fullest extent. This song has no introduction. The first thing we hear is the singer's voice on the pickup notes as she sings the hook. I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. That is the chorus. It consists of a 4-line stanza that repeats for a total of 8 lines. The rhyme scheme is that lines 2 and 4 rhyme. However, does nails rhyme with hell? Not really, but they're trying to pass it off as this in the song. I think it works. I think they get away with it. There is so much energy in the call and answer hook where the singer asks, "Baby, how you feeling?" And the backup singers answer enthusiastically, "Feeling good as hell." At that point, anyone would surely buy into this fudged rhyme of rhyming nails with hell. The instrumentation. First chorus is just vocals and piano. They are leaving room to build, so there is piano alone for the first chorus and kick drum and snaps for the first verse. A simple doom ch, doom doom ch. In the pre-chorus, the instrumentation starts building. It adds trumpet to match the sing-songy melody, and then it bursts into the second chorus, this time with the same piano part plus a full drum set and tambourine as it pumps up the energy, and it just sounds like a party. Then back down to just piano, kick drum, and snaps for verse 2. Now let's talk about the lyrics and the rhyme scheme. The first 4 lines of the verse are spoken in a rap style. They include the S word and don't just rhyme, but actually repeat that exact word for the rhyme in 3 out of 4 of the lines. Then the next 4 lines clean it up and rhyme with I, and the melody becomes melodic with a sort of sing-songy repetition line. Come now, come dry your eyes. You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, let me simplify. Then we come to the pre-chorus. This is just 2 lines that rhyme more and door. Each word is held long to emphasize the rhyme. If he don't love you anymore, just walk your fine ass out that door. One trumpet plays the melody along with the singers, while other trumpets build chords in a crescendo. Then it launches back into the chorus, which is familiar to us by now since we've heard the same 4 lines twice already at the beginning of the song. Lizzo sings through the same 4 lines twice. The lyrics are the same 4 lines we heard twice at the start. This is repetition. By now the listener can slightly sing along. I do my hair toss. And I think it's starting to feel really good for the listener at this point. The repetition is a happy, familiar thing. The story of the lyrics is as if Lizzo is talking to one of her girlfriends, but as a listener, we feel like she is talking directly to us. And she is empowering us to connect with our own beauty, toss our hair, check our nails, and just feel super good. And with drum set crashing, tambourines shaking, and trumpets blaring, this chorus is just such a party. Then it repeats the last line, feeling good as hell. And then the last 2 lines again, the question and answer, baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. So there's lots of repetition as she plays around with the shout cry response from the backup singers. This is the hook that stays with the listener all day. This is what happened to me. It's why I ended up picking this song. Verse 2 follows the same pattern as verse 1. The first 4 lines are almost rapped and rhyme with you this time instead of swearing like it did before. And then the next 4 lines end with the long I sound like it did before. Here is more repetition. However, it deviates from a perfect rhyme here, again, like it already did in the chorus with rhyming nails with hell. But as before, they are passing it off as rhymes, and I think it works. Really, the words are life, sacrifice, right, and tonight. So only the last 2 are a perfect rhyme. And I think that that ties in the other 2 and makes it believable as a 4-line rhyme. Plus, as before, these 4 lines are sung with a sing-songy melody that is the same for each of the 4 lines. Lots of repetition here. It goes, boss up and change your life. You can have it all, no sacrifice. I know we did you wrong, we can make it right. So go and let it all hang out tonight. There is a slight lyric change for the second pre-chorus here because we have gotten deeper into the story at this point. In the story, it has been established that the boyfriend they are talking about does not properly love the girlfriend. So, in the pre-chorus, she sings, "'Cause he don't love you anymore, so walk your fine ass out the door." At this point, the third chorus changes from "I do my hair toss" to "and do your hair toss." In this change, the singer is empowering her friend to be strong and change her life. She is telling her to leave a guy who is bad news. She tells her friend to toss her hair and walk away. This kind of advice from one girl to another can be received by listeners to apply to myriad personal situations. Next, we have a breakdown that serves as a bridge. For the instrumentation here, it drops the trumpets, tambourine, and the full drum set and just focuses on percussive sounds. It's foot stomps and claps, plus a new sound, conga drums. At least I think that's what that is. In this section, the singer vocalizes on, yeah, alright. It serves as a very short bridge before sliding back into the pre-chorus. Now we have come to the final transition to the last chorus. We are building towards the end here. At the end of the pre-chorus, all the instruments drop out. There's a vocal glissando that goes up and up and up. So it sounds like, so walk your fine ass out the door. And then the chorus comes back in with a pickup and a downbeat right on time and repeats the chorus 4 times plus vocal harmony. This is the one and only time there is vocal harmony. It's here in the last chorus. The hook is so familiar by now anyone could sing along. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. And this final chorus, everything is all in. Piano, drum set, trumpets, tambourine, backup harmony. It's like a huge party. Then there is an outro. It breaks down to just piano and voices, just like at the beginning. Here is a way of coming full circle round and summing it all up with a return to the sparse texture of just some funky comping on the piano and a single voice singing the hook. She tags the last lines twice. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Everyone is singing along at this point. One cannot escape the pull of the shout, cry, call, and answer. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. Then a trumpet crescendo is the last thing you hear. I think they really highlight the trumpet in some very nice places in this song, including right here at the end. So the lead vocal and trumpet climb to a climax, and then, boom, it's done. And all that in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. What a pop song.